Coffee, that magical drink that wakes us up, keeps us going, and somehow makes mornings bearable. Whether you're sipping a hot cup before work, grabbing an iced latte after a workout, or enjoying an espresso shot during your afternoon slump, coffee is part of our daily rhythm. But have you ever wondered, is coffee actually good for you? Well, here's the great news: it absolutely can be. In fact, drinking the right amount of coffee may offer some incredible health benefits that go far beyond just an energy boost. Welcome to White Tea Blossom, where we uncover the truth about your favorite foods and drinks. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss our next health and nutrition video. Why coffee is more than just caffeine. When we think about coffee, caffeine is the first thing that pops into our minds. But did you know coffee is also packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect your body from disease? According to experts at Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine, coffee is rich in active substances that can protect your cells and lower the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and Alzheimer's. So, let's explore 9 science-backed reasons why that morning cup of coffee might actually be doing you a lot of good. Coffee may help you live longer. Recent studies found that coffee drinkers are less likely to die from some of the leading causes of death in women: coronary heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and kidney disease. It helps your body process sugar better. People who drink more coffee have a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The compounds in coffee help regulate insulin and keep your blood sugar in check. So, the next time you enjoy that cup, you're not just waking up, you're supporting your metabolism too. It supports heart health. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of coffee a day may actually protect your heart and reduce the risk of heart failure. So, while too much caffeine can raise your heart rate, moderate amounts can keep your heart strong and healthy. It lowers the risk of Parkinson's disease. Caffeine isn't just an energy booster, it can also protect your brain. Studies show that coffee drinkers are less likely to develop Parkinson's disease, and for those who already have it, caffeine may help improve movement and control. Coffee protects your liver. Your liver loves coffee. Both regular and decaf coffee seem to have a protective effect. Research shows that coffee drinkers have healthier liver enzyme levels, meaning less stress on your liver and better long-term function. It strengthens your DNA. This one's fascinating. Dark roast coffee can actually decrease DNA strand breakage. Stronger DNA means lower risks of mutations that can lead to cancer or tumors. Think of it as a tiny molecular shield in every cup. Recent studies found that coffee drinkers are less likely to die from some of the leading causes of death in women: coronary heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and kidney disease. It reduces the risk of colon cancer. Colon cancer affects 1 in 23 women, but studies have found that coffee drinkers, both regular and decaf, have a 26% lower risk of developing colorectal cancer. So your morning ritual might just be doing some behind-the-scenes work for your long-term health. It lowers the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Almost 2/3 of Americans with Alzheimer's are women. But here's the good news: caffeine may offer protection for your brain. Women over 65 who drank 2 to 3 cups of coffee a day were found to be less likely to develop dementia or Alzheimer's disease. It may lower stroke risk. Just 1 cup a day can make a difference. Studies show that women who drink at least 1 cup of coffee daily have a lower risk of stroke, one of the leading causes of death worldwide. How much coffee is safe for women to drink each day? Now, before you pour your 5th cup, remember, moderation is key. Too much caffeine can cause jitters, anxiety, insomnia, increased heart rate, or high blood pressure. According to the dietary guidelines for Americans, it's safe for most adults to drink 3 to 5 cups of coffee per day, with a maximum caffeine intake of 400 milligrams. An 8-ounce cup of coffee contains about 95 milligrams of caffeine. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, always check with your doctor before consuming caffeine. And if coffee tends to make you anxious or sleepless, try switching to decaf. It still offers many of the same health benefits. Make your coffee healthier. How you drink your coffee matters just as much as how much you drink. Instead of loading up on sugar and heavy cream, try these healthier add-ins: a splash of milk or plant-based milk substitute, a sprinkle of cinnamon, cardamom, or cocoa powder. A dash of vanilla extract for sweetness without sugar. These natural flavors not only enhance taste but also add extra antioxidants to your cup. While coffee can be a wonderful part of your routine, remember that true health depends on more than just one beverage. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy sleep are essential for long-term wellness. But yes, your favorite cup of coffee can be a delightful addition to that healthy lifestyle. So, there you have it, 9 amazing reasons why your daily coffee habit might actually be doing you good. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow coffee lovers. And tell us in the comments, how do you like your coffee? Thanks for watching YT Blossom.